Are you just starting your programming journey, feeling overwhelmed by all the new terms and tools? Don't worry, today I am going to break down the most common thing in programming that every beginner should know. Let's keep it simple and practical. Let's begin with the core building blocks of every programming language. Variable, think of them as container that store data. Like x is equal to 10, that means x store the value 10. Data types, number, string, boolean, arrays. They define what kind of data you are working with. Operators like plus, minus, double equal to. They help you perform tasks and comparison. Control flow like if, else and switch. This lets your program make decisions. Loops for repeating types like for loop, while loop. Print 1 to 10 using a loop. Functions, reusable block of code, write once and use many times. If you understand this, you already understand 50% of programming. Let's talk tools. You can't build without right tools, right? Code editor. VS Code is favorite, lightweight, powerful and beginner friendly. Version control. Git and GitHub helps you track changes in your code and collaborate with others. You don't need to memorize everything, just know what these tools can do and you will learn them as you go. Want to write clean codes that other can understand, follow these best practices. Drive principle, don't repeat yourself. Use functions and loops instead. Write readable code. Use proper naming, indentation and comments. Handle errors. Use try case and input validation so your program doesn't crash. Modular codes. Break large program into smaller parts or file. This makes your code easier to fix, reuse and share. Programming is not just about writing code. It is about thinking clearly. Use sprint or breakpoint to debug. Read error messages. They are your best friend. Stay calm, debugging is the part of the game. The secret of a good programming isn't just code. It's mindset. Problem solving, passion, curiosity, communication, especially in teams. So whether you are learning Java, JavaScript, Python or C++, these basics are universal. Don't rush, build your foundation strong.